Welcome. So in front of me I have the SumUp Solo smart card terminal and printer, and I'll just be going over an unboxing of this device. So just pop it open. So we do have a couple of seals that I will need to cut through. I want to point out there are two different seals, and one of them was already cut by the looks of it. So this isn't, I guess, technically new. We'll see in a second once we open it up. So some paperwork right here, some stickers, this containing, I assume by default the stickers, but for some reason they weren't in here. So this maybe just be a guess. Nope, never mind, that doesn't fit in here. So, oh, I know what it is. It's one of these that I can just kind of fold up and put it on the table. Okay. Next, we have the user guide and the device itself. Super compact. There we go. Oh, and here we have the power button. Let's see, it's booting up. For some reason this looks like it would be detachable, but come on. Don't really want to break it. Let's see how the instruction how you open it up. Yeah, so the screen is actually proppable. I'm just not necessarily sure how. Yeah, it doesn't want to really pop up. So this should open up somehow, but again, can't seem to figure out how to open it up. You know, I'm not going to bother with that. Now below we have, surprising thing, it actually comes with a charger. Wow, it's a Type-C to Type-C charger, and there we go. This is a 20-watt power brick. I have a roll of paper. You know, I'm not going to take it out as... See, there we go. It's not unrolling on its own, so that's good. So yeah, that's your roll for the printing. And then we got the Type-C to Type-C cable with one end being 90 degrees. And that's basically everything in here. So there we go. Now taking a look at this, as it is now on. No, never mind. It looks like, oh, there we go. Yeah, it's on. It's battery at the beginning, as you can see, but still. By the looks of it, it's running some proprietary software. And you do need to start an account. And if I'm correct, you probably also need to pop in some kind of SIM card or whatever, as it does have a reception right here. Or you might need to connect it to Wi-Fi if you have one. Probable Wi-Fi over the SIM. So anyway, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.